This is a coral reef, how scuba divers know and love it. A ballet of colorful fish above a multitude of fascinating coral shapes. There's so much biodiversity to see here. It's not surprising that many people are almost addicted to seeing this. But there are other dive sites, like this one. Exploring them is called muck diving. You really need to look to find interesting animals. But when you do, you will be astonished by how much biodiversity there is here too. Frogfish are one of the highlights of muck diving. These are camouflaged as algae-covered rocks. These are fish which prefer to walk as opposed to swim. In a good muck diving site, you will always see frogfish. You will also see snake eels, very unusual fish which are hiding in the sand. And there are blennies. This one made a discarded worm tube his home. And gobies. This one lives on a black coral which grew on an isolated rock in the middle of a sandy plain. And so many crustaceans. This mantis shrimp is at home in the shell of a dead sea snail. Every little piece of cover is highly valued on a muck diving site. Like this harlequin crab, which hides in a soft coral. An isolated anemone in the middle of the sandy plain is the home for this porcelain crab. This crinoid squat lobster never leaves the crinoid, to which it's matched in coloration and pattern. All of that far away from a coral reef. This mantis shrimp lives in a vertical burrow, hoping to find a careless fish as prey. And there's so many sea slugs on muck diving sites, living on small pieces of seaweed. These sarcoglossans are sometimes called Shaun the sheep, due to their similarity with a cartoon character of that name. Look at the patterning on this nudibranch. Muck diving is a hide-and-seek adventure with the most unusual and fascinating marine life. Enjoy!